Introducing the Raquel Welch 2024 Fall Collection, featuring 3 gorgeous new wigs. Each beautiful style has been designed with all the timeless glamour and modern sophistication you've come to love from Raquel's signature collection. Flash Forward features a monofilament top and our Memory Cap 3 construction. Cruise Control is made with a 100% hand-tied cap, which allows for natural movement. Model Mode is the longest style in the fall collection and also made in our signature monofilament top. For over 25 years, Raquel Welch has been a leading global brand, renowned for making stunning, ready-to-wear wigs that are so natural-looking and effortless they can be worn right out of the box. In addition, all 3 styles have our temple-to-temple lace front that extends all the way to the ear tabs for a truly realistic-looking hairline. And all are made with HairUwear's exclusive true-to-life fiber for the look and feel of real hair. The texture is light, soft, and lustrous without being shining. Plus, it's heat-friendly. Discover the new 2024 Fall Collection by Raquel Welch. Your next signature style awaits. Your only challenge will be deciding which to try first.